Hey, welcome back crew, Gumleaf here at the space station, and today we've got a math mission. I'm looking at this number right here, 47. Looks pretty normal, right? But what if I told you this number is actually hiding two secret parts inside? Once you can see those hidden parts, adding and subtracting big numbers in your head gets way easier. This strategy is called partitioning. And by the end of this video, you're going to be a pro at it. Let's go. So what does partitioning actually mean? It just means splitting a number into its parts. Every number you've ever seen is secretly made of tens and ones, or hundreds, tens and ones for bigger numbers. Take 47. It's really 40 plus 7, 4 tens and 7 ones. That's it. You've just partitioned 47. Seriously, that's all it is. And here's why this is such a superpower for maths. Your brain finds it much easier to work with round numbers like 40, 30, 100 than with random numbers all jumped and jumbled together. So instead of wrestling with big scary numbers, you just break it apart. Deal with the easy pieces and snap them back together like docking modules on a space station. Alright crew, let's put this into action. Mission number 1, 47 plus 35. 1. The equation is 47 plus 35 and we want the answer. So we're going to separate the tens and the ones. So we have 40 plus 30, which equals 70. And then we've got the ones. 7 plus 5, which equals 12. And then we recombine. We have 70 plus 12, which is an easy 82. See, that took no effort at all. And that's it. You don't need to carry anything or line up numbers. You just split, solve, and snap. I know. Right now it might feel like more steps than just doing the maths. That's normal. Every new strategy feels a bit slow at first, but trust me, once this clicks, you'll be doing it in your head before I even finish reading the question out. Let's try subtraction. Mission 2. 84 minus 52. Okay, let me write the equation down. So what have we got? We're working out what is 84 minus 52. So we start with the tens. We separate 80 and 50, and we separate the ones, 4 and 2. So 80 minus 50, or 8 minus 5, is 3, and add the O across. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's just 32. So the answer is 32. 84 minus 52 is 32. And that didn't take much. Now ready to take it to the next level. Let's try a 3-digit number. Mission 3, 346 plus 253. Okay, let's do this. Right, we're going to write the equation out first. 346 plus 253. Okay, and kind of what it looks like is 300 plus 40 plus 6 and 200 plus 50 plus 3. Now we do the 100s first. So 300 plus 200 is 500. And then we do the tens. 40 plus 50 equals 90, because 4 plus 5 is 9. Add the 0 across. And then 6 plus 3 is 9. And as you can see, it comes together very nicely. 599. The answer is 599. So that's 3 layers, hundreds, tens, ones. Same idea, just one more module to dock. If this is starting to make sense, hit that subscribe button. We drop a new math strategy every week, right here on the Space Station. Now let's talk about the trickiest part of this strategy. Caution crew, here's where a lot of people get tripped up. You partition the first number perfectly, 40 plus 7, great. Then you forget to partition the second one. You try to add 35 as one big chunk to 40. Your brain crashes. The fix is simple. Always write it out when you're learning. Don't try and hold all 4 parts in your head at once. Grab a pen. Split both numbers on paper first. The mental version comes once you've practiced the written version enough that it feels automatic. Other thing to watch, don't forget to snap the answer back together. You need one final number, not 2 separate pieces floating around in space. It's about training your brain to see numbers differently, to understand what's inside them, not just what they look like on the surface. Every time you split a number and snap it back together, you're building what mathematicians call number sense. And number sense is like a superpower. It makes every math problem easier, not just this one. You've already learned that commutative law and the associative law. Partitioning is the third tool in your kit. The crew is getting stronger. So let's recap on our mission today. Partitioning means splitting a number into its tens and ones, or hundreds, tens and ones for bigger numbers. Add or subtract each part separately. Snap the answer back together. And remember, split, solve, snap. If you want to go back and check out Mental Math Strategy 1 and 2, they're linked right here. And if you've got a question or something you want me to cover, drop me an email. I read every single one. This is Gumleaf signing off from the Space Station.